how to send picture on email. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send picture on email. So in order to send picture on email, it's a very simple process. Basically there are different ways to do it, but I'm going to show you one of the easiest way on how you can do it. Now go ahead and open up your Gmail app and then log in into your account. Once logged in, it's going to take you to this interface. So here, go ahead and tap the compose button located right at the bottom. Now enter in the credential, enter in the email address to whom you are actually sending. Once you're done entering the information, type in the subject that you want to, and on the compose button, go ahead and type in whatsoever. And in order to attach a picture, go ahead and tap the paperclip icon located in the top right hand side corner. Then from there, you need to select whether it's on your drive or you need to attach a file. So click on attach a file in my case. So I'm gonna go with this one. Once you're done selecting, click the select button, and as you can see that the file has been attached, and click the arrow icon in order to send it. So that's how you can send picture or email. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.